Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting essentials. Get into position and lock your composition now. Open Pro Mode or your long exposure app, set ISO low and shutter longer. You want streaks, not noise. Mount your phone on a tripod or secure it. Make sure framing includes sky and a fixed foreground. Once done, switch to airplane mode to avoid interruptions, disable flash, and use a 2 5-second timer or remote shutter so you don't introduce blur while starting exposure. You now focus on repeated captures to increase your odds. Set exposures between 1 and 10 seconds depending on storm brightness and activity. If your app has interval or burst long exposure mode, enable it and let the phone take dozens of frames automatically. While shooting, watch ISO and reduce it to 100/400 to control noise. Increase shutter time if strikes are rare. Make sure you have spare battery and ample storage. And shoot RAW when available for stronger post-processing flexibility. You finish by reviewing frames and choosing the best strikes. Look for sharp foreground and clearly defined lighting channels, then crop and process RAW to recover highlights and reduce noise. Once done, consider stacking multiple images to increase visible branching and dynamic range. Use app or PC software for stacking. If you're not capturing lightning, make sure you've widened shutter time or increased total shooting duration. Also move to a less obstructed view and test different exposures until strikes become visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.